Kohl Children's Museum presents Home Zone, learning experiences you can do at home.
Hi, I'm Janine. Today I have this really fun book called Go Go Grapes that we're going to read together. It is a fruit chant, and it's by Pulley Sayre. She's also the author of Rah Rah Radishes, in case you want to read about her vegetable book as well. So this one is Go Go Grapes. Rah rah raspberries, go go grapes. Savor the flavors, find fruity shapes. There's circles in here and ovals, all kinds of shapes. Blackberries, blueberries, bag a bunch. Strawberry season, let's munch a munch. Hello, Tangelo, Tamarillo shines. Cactus and kiwano, prickly spines. Cheer for cherries, tart or sweet. Bananas, oranges, peel and eat. Ask for apples, round and ripe. Try them, pie them, red, green stripe. Pineapple, pomegranate, take your pick. Yell for yumminess, kiwis, quick! Grab a guava, live for lime. Pucker up, pal, it's lemon time. Lemons are sour. Nectarines, tangerines, hit the spot. Glum, go plum, or apricot. Try a papaya, rambutan rump. Mango, mangosteen, chomp, chomp, chomp. Grapefruit, dragon fruit, what a find! Cantaloupe, watermelon, mind that rind. Figs are fabulous, currants call. Love a lychee, fruit eyeball. It does kind of look like an eyeball, huh? Reach for peach, fuzz is fine. Pluck a persimmon, then durian dine. Share a pear, picked by hand. Treats from trees and from the land. Baskets, bushels, season sun. Feel it, peel it. Fruit is fun. Look at these silly faces. So that's the end of our book, but I want you guys at home there to think about all the fruits that you might have in your own home. So look around, take a peek, and see which fruits you can find. Notice all the different colors and shapes. I think I see almost every color in the rainbow here. Reds, yellows, greens, purples, and all kinds of shapes. Some of them are ovals, some of them are circles, even some stars, those star fruit on the bottom. There's also different tastes and textures. Feel your fruit and eat your fruit. Some of them are sweet or mellow tasting, juicy or sour, and feel those textures. Are they smooth or bumpy? Some have spikes. Watch those fingers. Look at all your fruits and feel them and taste them and think about all the fun ways that you can interact with your fruit. Bye!